Hey, it's Greg with Microsoft Hates Greg. Just here with a quick little update video. Revenge of MSHGQM. So I just updated MSHGQM and I updated the supportedmeasures.json file. And now the supported measures, if you download supportedmeasures.json, replace that file within your MSHGQM installation, then you'll have all of the default quick measures that are included in Power BI Desktop will now be included also within MSHGQM. So I tried to recreate all of them kind of faithfully based upon the code within Power BI Desktop and the different options that they provide. So therefore, all of these quick measures that you see here in the default quick measure within Power BI Desktop, you can now create all of these within MSHGQM itself. So you might be asking yourself, well, why, did I decide to include all the default quick measures that are there already within Power BI Desktop? Is this kind of like childish revenge where, they won't include my quick measures, so I'll just, I'll go ahead and include theirs in my tool. And I can assure you that that's a very small percentage of the reason why, right? I mean, we're talking like 99.999% of the reason, right? So very small percentage. But in reality, what I wanted to do is I wanted to create them in MSHGQM because I wanted to do a couple things. I wanted to demonstrate how you can just update your quick measures by just updating your supportedmeasures.json file that I'll be updating regularly as we go forward, and you don't have to reinstall MSHGQM the entire thing. And I wanted to add some substantive amount of measures, and instead of just going through and trying to find some out in the quick measure gallery, the built-in ones are nice, easy chunk of about 30 measures to add in, right? The other thing I was thinking about was I want to go through the quick measure gallery and I want to add all of the quick measures that have been submitted, right? And some of those have been adopted within the Power BI Desktop. And so I started thinking to myself, well, if I do that, then do I leave those out of MSHGQM? And so I just decided to solve the problem. I'll just include everything. So as you can see in here, I've got like aggregate per category, and I tried to keep the category names the same as they are within the Power BI Desktop itself. So now you have aggregate per category. Things are a little different. Aggregation per category, because I can pick an overall aggregation, I didn't need like minimum per category, maximum per category, average per category as separate quick measures. So you have all of those. I got the filter functions in here. The mathematical ones, they ended up in here. So I have like multiplication and addition, subtraction, running product. All right, no, running product's one of mine. But anyway, I added those in here. Percentage difference was one of the new ones. And then under text, I have the star rating, and there was another one that was in concatenate a list of values. And then I kept the time intelligence ones under time intelligence. I just decided to put them there. I thought about putting them in date intelligence, but I decided not to. And then again, same for totals. So I have the totals here as well. So all of the quick measures that are in Power BI Desktop, you can now create within MSHGQM. So now you have a central location to create all your quick measures, if you will. Now, I wasn't planning on updating MSHGQM itself, the program. However, I did find a bug when I was going through all of this. The product aggregation was not working. So I fixed that and uploaded a new version of MSHGQM Gamma. If you want to download that and you really have to have that product aggregation working, then you can the new one will fix it. And that's available. As you can see, I've updated that one here, MSHGQM Gamma, 14 minutes ago, as well as the supported measures were updated 14 minutes ago. And now I'm making this video. So that's really all I had today. I'm going to be getting back into a cycle of kind of exploring each of these quick measures in turn, if you will, as we go through this, so that we can get a regular cadence of videos, and I'll go through some of the nuances and using some of these different quick measures. And now I also, one of the other benefits of this, I found a few things backlog items I'd like to add into MSHGQM, like the ability to not just be able to select columns, but also select columns or measures, because Power BI Desktop, allows that. And then a couple additional controls I think I'm going to add to the control panel interface that you see here. So that's all I had today. Like and subscribe if you feel like it, and hope everyone has a great holiday.